Woo! Well, that's new. Alright, let's check this out. Cool. So where have I been, you might wonder? No, that's a dude. Oh, looks. Oh, wow. Wonder if I got it. I was making a whole bunch of videos, and then I stopped making videos. Oh, I'm gonna fall in and die. And that was about the end of March, after I went to Quebec, which was wonderful, as you might have seen in the preceding videos. Well, I finished a book. And we also had a period between ice out and when you could go on open water, where I couldn't do either very easily. Oh, there's a reason for the sun-shining sky, and there's a reason that I'm feeling so high, must be the season. But mostly it was the book. I did a lot of researching into the next book, and I spent a lot of time researching. Not only the stuff I'm going to need for the next book, but a property. Nice. Oh, fell and ate shit again. It was buried under waist-deep snow. Okay, I'm just cackling like an idiot because I just did that in about 3 seconds, and I was worrying about that all night. Look, this is how deep, this is how deep I got busting through in just shoes, and then this is me literally walking on water. I'm gonna be there in an hour. Ridiculous. And I went and I researched it because it's a big property, and I eventually ended up purchasing it. I ended up falling over a bunch of times, nearly getting trapped, researching things. That's what happens when you poke around in the wilderness, not knowing what the heck you're gonna find. And then I started making other videos when those didn't pan out. Come on, yeah. There you go. Yeah, try and get the hook out. He's gone! And I took my motorcycle out. I spruced it up. Huh? And I was going to make videos about that, but then I didn't. Why? Because I couldn't get out because it was raining too much, or because I had an injury. That foot has a tumor in it. It's a benign tumor, but it hurts. It makes it so I can't run, and it makes it so that riding the motorcycle is a little more difficult. So I had to let that heal a little bit, see what I could do with it, and right now I'm testing that. This is a little painful, but whatever. Apparently it can be shrunken. We'll see. That doctor appointment is on the 25th. But I took the motorcycle out anyway a couple of times, and I forgot the little dongle that goes on here. so I couldn't film it. Though I did do a couple of tests, and it's going to film wonderfully, and I'll probably get some motorcycle rides in soon. But I took it out to the property thinking I could get out to it, because it's a bit of a ways in. And what happened was I fell off the bike. I went into a rut, and that rut looked like it was slidey, so I got up on the pegs and I went onto some grass, which is something I did last year. And I ate shit. I went out and almost high-sided on my back end, and then I corrected it wonderfully, but it still skidded out. And when it skidded out, I went down on my leg, and my leg was kind of trapped underneath the motorcycle. And it's funny because I wear proper gear, and I didn't injure myself by falling, by having a 500-pound motorcycle drop onto my ass. I was injured because I had a moment of panic after the motorcycle fell on me when I felt trapped, and I yanked my leg and I pulled a muscle. So here I am working that back into shape. So anyway, and then after that, that was the day of a week of fishing.
The still beating heart of a whitefish.
I went out and did a week of fishing, and my buddy caught a 37-inch pike. I caught 23 brook trout. And those would make wonderful videos for you, but I do not have those videos for you because I was having too much fun to take videos. And one of the things that I think about art is that it is a support structure for life. Life is not a support structure for art. And I kind of cribbed that off Stephen King a little bit, but the truth is, I'd rather be having fun than making these videos. And also, these videos are more solitary affairs. Like right now, when I'm probably getting ticks everywhere. Wonderful year for ticks so far. I found 4 or 5. So, anyway, I did that week of fishing. I had a great old time. I got some good videos. You're seeing some of those now in the background. But none of them really threaded together in a coherent narrative. If they had, well, then you'd probably have seen more videos by now. Instead, I'm taking this walk and doing a summary. Oh, man, that's beautiful. And also enjoying what's supposed to be thunderstorms. They had a squall warning last night, but it didn't work out. Which is a bummer, because the thunderstorms in Thunder Bay are excellent. So what's going to happen next? Well, I'm going to take more videos. I'm going to show you this property in ways that don't show you how to get to it. And I'm going to show you what I've learned about it. And it's going to become a regular part of these videos. I haven't stopped doing videos. I just needed to rejigger and reassess. And finish a book and start a new book. And I'll be talking about those books. Because, you know, if you buy those books, that would be very good for me. I have a bunch of books. You can look them up if you want. If you don't want, well, then to hell with you. But the videos are going to start up again soon. I'm giving you a little taste of what I've been up to in the background. And, well, just be patient. Or don't. Because, see, this is something I'm doing for fun and out of love. But I'm not giving up. Catch you soon.